Hello YouTube, it's Nicholas speaking. Welcome to another tutorial about Elementor. I hope that all of you have watched my exercise in Elementor. It is about creating the contact page with Elementor, just like this. If you didn't watch, please watch it. Here you can learn a lot. Let me ask you a few questions. Do you like Elementor page builder so far? Do you like this kind of exercise? And do you want to see it more in next videos? Tell me that down in the comments. Okay, before we start, let me see what we covered so far. Before this exercise and contact form, we covered few general elements like image box, icon box, I think testimonials and rating. And in these videos I filmed all of basic elements and all settings which have the Elementor section. Okay, now let's go to our page, and today we are going to cover this image carousel here. Before we start, if you want to support me, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to smash the bell. Let's go. Okay guys, let's remove the elements from previous videos. I'm going to leave this whole section with 3 columns, and in this middle one I'm going to drag and drop this image carousel. Okay, what we have here. First, let's select the specific images. I already find these 3 on the internet, and you can see that I filled this title and description. These informations we can display through our slider, and don't forget to fill this alt text field because those words is very important for SEO. I'm working on my local environment, so I don't need to do that. Okay, click here when you select the images, click on this button, create a new gallery, and also click insert. What we have here now. In this tab you can change the image size. Let's set the full size, but first you need to change the numbers of slides which you want to show. Default is all, but let's say that I want to set the number of 2 because I have 3 images or 1. You can set the image stretch, yes or no. Also you can include the navigations, arrows and dots, arrows also, dots also, and none. In link field you can check the media file or custom URL. After you adding this link, don't forget to check the open in new window because your visitor will go away from your website. Okay, here you can also choose the caption or title or description, just like here. Okay, for example, I don't have caption, yeah. Let's leave check description. In additional settings, you can activate autoplay. You can set pause on hover, pause on interaction, autoplay speed. For example, let's add 3 seconds. You can check infinite loop. You can choose the effects. Besides slide, we have fade. Let me click on preview. Let's see. This is the fading. And now you can see the sliding. And this is my custom text. Okay. Beneath that, you have the animation speed and directions, left and right. In styles, what you can do. You can change the position of arrows to be inside or outside. It's much better inside. Okay. Here you can change the size of arrows, just like this. And you can change the color. For dots, it is the same. And for image, you can set the border. For example, this black one there. And also you can have the border radius about, let's see, 5 pixels. Click here on preview changes. Okay, sometimes you need to update before you see your changes. And voila, this is our slide. But let's go on elements and let's add the spacer here. 50 pixels is fine. Now we have some room here. Okay, let's go back to carousel, to our slides. The settings for images, you already saw that. And for caption, you can change the alignment. You can change the text color, and here we have settings for font. Okay. In Advanced tab, you already know these features like margin, padding, outer and inner border or spacing, z-index, classes, IDs, motion effects, background, border, and so on. Keep in mind that these two are locked. You need Pro version if you want to unlock it. Okay, guys, this is all for this short video about our carousel. This is the end, but before the end, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, write down in the comments. Don't forget the bell icon, and see you in another video. Bye bye.